Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Wix website even more interactive or make sharing a link super easy for your users, adding a QR code is one of the best methods out there. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to add a QR code directly to your Wix website, making it effortless for your visitors to scan and connect. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're in the design section of your Wix website. This is where you'll be editing and adding elements, so you need to be in the right place before we get started. If you're launching Wix for the first time or if you haven't been here in a while, just log in, pick the site you want to edit, and open it up in the Wix editor. Take a moment to get familiar with your dashboard. Everything you'll ever need to change or improve on your site lives here. Now let's move on to finding the QR code feature. Up at the top right corner of your Wix editor, you'll see a little search bar. This is one of those really handy tools that can save you a ton of time. Instead of digging through layers of menus, you can just click the search icon right here, and you'll be able to search for almost anything you want to add or change on your site. Go ahead and click it. It should open up a little box where you can type in your search terms. Next, type in QR code in the search bar. Be sure to use all lowercase, as that helps Wix zero in on the right tool quickly. As you're typing, Wix will start showing you relevant results. You'll probably notice the QR code element popping up right away. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, double-check your spelling or try a slight variation. Sometimes features might have different names or be located under apps or widgets, but QR code is usually what does the trick. Go ahead and open the QR code option. When you do, Wix's built-in generator will appear, ready to help you create a QR code for your site. It might look like a little square with a bunch of black dots and lines. Think of it like a digital shortcut for your visitors. QR codes are fantastic for instantly sharing links, business info, or even Wi-Fi details, so adding one to your site can really boost convenience. Now here comes the magic. Wix will automatically generate a QR code for you. This means you don't need to fiddle with any complicated settings or external tools. Just let Wix do its thing. It might take a few moments for your QR code to process, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. If you ever feel like it's taking too long, just check your internet connection or reload the page. Sometimes a small hiccup can slow things down, but it always sorts itself out pretty quickly. Once the QR code pops up, that's basically it, you did it. You can now position the QR code wherever you'd like on your site, adjust the size, and even customize how it fits with your design. Think about where your visitors are most likely to see it, like on a contact page or at the bottom of a product listing. This little square can make huge things happen. Whether someone's visiting your site from their phone, sending their friends a quick scan link, or even saving your info for later, the QR code adds a whole new layer of accessibility. And there you go, you've got a sleek QR code on your Wix website in just a few simple steps. See, no coding needed, no extra app installs. Wix makes it as easy as possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, especially if you run into any bumps or want tips on using QR codes more creatively. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.